What's up, everybody? Henry from Fun Game Reviews here. So I have gotten so many people out there who has been telling me I want to watch your streams on Streamcraft, but I don't want to be doing it on my phone or whatever. This is the solution that I have for all of you guys out there. So I hope that this definitely helps for all of the Streamcraft people in Streamcraft land. And I hope all you guys on YouTube definitely take this and download this ASAP on your computer. So this tutorial is going to be how to watch Streamcraft on your device. So it could be on your laptop, it could be on your Macs, whatever. BlueStacks does it all. So I will say go to www.bluestacks.com. And once you guys get to this page, go ahead and click that download a BlueStacks 3 button. Okay, once you guys have that all installed and ready to go, basically you guys are going to go ahead and launch it. And the next thing you guys will see is that you guys can open up BlueStacks. You guys will have to go through like the email registration. So make sure you guys have a Gmail account available so that you guys can go through the whole process. Okay. So after you guys basically download it and install it, literally you'll just have to click this button and then you guys should be capable of downloading it and practically installing it all the way. Another little thing that you guys can do, you guys can actually play games on your actual PC using this application. So just to get you guys started, after you guys actually have this done, once you guys get your BlueStacks open, you guys want to open up Google Play, the Play Store. So once you guys get there, go ahead and type in Streamcraft. And then once you guys get to Streamcraft, go ahead and click on this one. It's basically like the Superman S, but with the YouTube Play button in the middle. I don't know, that's how I see it. But regardless, get that, install that, and then go ahead and launch this. From BlueStacks. So basically what I'm showcasing is that, yes, it does look a little bit weird when you initially open it using BlueStacks, but you guys can see, just checking out like other people right now, you can actually look at other people's stream without any problems. Okay, I'm going to even showcase it a little bit, like with myself, Fun Game Reviews. You guys can actually go ahead and click this. And it should actually load just fine, so you guys can actually go back and watch it, stuff like that. Just also know, as I get to 300 followers, I'm going to be giving out a $10 gift card giveaway. And just make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/C for channel/fungamereview. Okay, you guys can see the URL right above me, or at least my tag. All right. I also will have a Clash of Lords 2 account to give out. Make sure you guys are watching my YouTube channel to see the account being revealed so that you guys know like what level the account is and so on. So you guys can see, look, it looks perfectly fine. I know it looks a little bit weird on my screen, but let's just pretend like if I were to rearrange that screen, like, look, I can actually like make it so I can shrink it down, I can expand it, however you guys want to do it. You can actually make it so that it fits your screen and stuff like that. Just know if it's actually full widescreen, it does look a little weird. Like you guys can see that I can actually click the full widescreen button and then it looks like that. I know as of right now, because I'm recording, it looks a little bit laggy, it looks a little bit weird, but from what I'm actually looking at on my BlueStacks, it looks perfectly fine. Okay, so there you guys go. That's the opportunity for you guys who have been telling me you cannot join my streams because you don't have it on your cell phones or whatever, or you're busy playing Clash of Lords 2, Castle Clash, Lords Mobile, any of those games, and you don't want to like stop using your phone just to come watch, right? Even when we're playing Mobile Legends, you guys can actually play on your cell phone and watch using BlueStacks on your computer. Okay, so all you guys who have been telling me you guys can't do it, here is my method for all of you guys. And make sure you guys all support Daenerys as well. She's going to be also streaming on Streamcraft as well as we gamers. So I hope you guys definitely enjoy, and I hope this really helps all you guys. This should bring it out where all you guys who are waiting for the PC version. The PC version should be launched sometime in the end of February, is what we are being told. Those dates can potentially change. So here is the solution while you guys wait. All right. I hope you guys definitely enjoy this. I hope you guys definitely hit that like button down below. Make sure you guys subscribe and share this to everybody on Streamcraft. I'll make sure to be posting this on Discord and sharing this with the Streamcraft team. So thank you guys for watching. Henry from Fun Game Reviews. Hope this was helpful, and I hope to see all you guys on Streamcraft. Peace out, everybody. Thanks for watching.